Very good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So, I hope you all are doing well, you all are safe. Today's topic is a painting, a mural painting, which we are going to make with incense. Incense is basically a clay which we use in worship. It is also called धूप. Okay? जो हम धूप पूजा में यूज़ करते हैं, जिससे स्मोक होता है थोड़ा एंड सेंटेड भी होती है तो वो हम यूज़ करेंगे फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग आर पेंटिंग टुडे. ओके. एंड वन मोर थिंग, अगर आपके पास ये अवेलेबल नहीं है, इट्स वेरी इजीली अवेलेबल इन अदर शॉप्स, नियर बाय शॉप्स. ओके, यू कैन बाय दैट. एंड इफ़ यू डोंट हैव that also, you can buy Shilpkar, which is available in any stationery.
So first of all, you need to take a cardboard. You need to make its margins equally from all the four sides. You can take pencil also instead of a sketch and start drawing the painting whatever you want to draw. Like I'm making a peacock here. As the painting is drawn, now take some incense and start placing on the painting. Make little circles and big lines of the incense and paste it on the cardboard. You can use Fevicol also for that. You need to cover whole the peacock with incense like this with the help of your fingers. Layer by layer you need to complete the peacock, and afterwards you need to put some design on it with different tools like knife, spoon, a cap of a sketch pen, anything you can use. Like this you need to place your incense in whole of the peacock. You can paste it with Fevicol so that it sticks properly. You can use some oil also for giving it some smooth texture, as many of the incense are not that easy to mold. You can make it easy with the help of oil. Any kind of oil you can use to make it soft. Now very thin lines of incense you are going to paste on the head of the peacock like this, and very small circles. You can use some other knife or any other tool or pen to just give it some proper shape. So you can use some oil also for giving it some smooth texture. Apply some oil and smoothen it before giving it any texture. Now I'm using cap to give it some semicircles on the top area of the peacock like this. Now I'm using fork for putting some dots in the down part. Now I'm using knife to give some lines in the neck. So like this you need to place the incense in the down part of the peacock also. And I have taken this lip balm. I'm using its back side to give some lines. You can use knife also for that, or any other kind of tool. Now I'm taking a circle and turning it in a leaf shape, pasting it on the down part of the peacock. And again I'm taking a circle and just putting it on the in the between, and just tap your finger on it. You can make some designs also, like I have used fork for giving some dots. You can use bottle caps also for giving some texture. Like this you need to follow this procedure till your peacock ends in the down portion. You can use earbud also for giving some dots in the between of wings. Follow the same procedure till the down part. Put some fevicol, place the incense, and again in a leaf shape give some lines with the help of knife and paste the circles on it. Give a texture with the earbud. So like this your peacock will look. Once your peacock will be done, you can color the background with any color medium you want. I'm using copper and black shade. You can use any other color also, any liquid color, poster, acrylic or rangila, anyone, whatever you have. just give two colors shade in the background like this. And once your color will get dry, you can start pasting the stem part of the tree. Use some glue to paste the tree stem. Very thin lines for making its branches. Now start pasting the leaves, and after that you need to give some lines of the leaf with the help of toothpick or matchstick, anything, or a pen also. I am using needle. If it's not safe for you, you can use some other thing also for giving lines in the leaf. So like this, in both the directions you need to make lines, one in the center. Follow the same procedure for other leaves also. Your painting will look like this. After that, I'm using some sponge to put some sparkle dust. If you don't have sparkle dust, you can use normal sparkle also, or any other color. You can just take the color in your finger and just tap it on the painting. It will give you some highlights of that color. I'm using it with my finger because it's much safer. So this is how your painting will look like. I have just put some more sparkle. You can decorate your painting accordingly, whatever material you have. I had these small shiny beads. I have just sticked them wherever I wanted, in the eye, on the top of the peacock, and in some branches. You can place it wherever you want. This is how your painting will look like. All the best.